Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing a 2017 Ford Explorer. Original car comes with the 8 inches Microsoft SYNC version 3. We remove this system and install it to our 12.4 inches high definition screen. This screen comes with the 1080p screen and is fully compatible with the original climate control, original backup camera, and also the front camera as well. I'm going to show you step by step how to use the system. First of all the stereo control is fully functional, and this is also fully compatible with the original Microsoft SYNC. When you click on the console, you can see that you can use the Microsoft SYNC here. This is original Microsoft SYNC. All the features going to be exactly the same as before, and this one also fully compatible with the front camera, 360-degree camera, and also fully compatible with the original backup camera too. It's also fully compatible with the parking sensor here, and you can also use the temperature to control the temperature right here. It's fully compatible with everything. This is the original manual, and this is our temperature control interface. Okay, you can also use this one. It also support the rear climate control. The rear climate control here, and the front climate control here. And the radio is. They also support the original satellite radio as well. This is the original satellite radio here. The Series XM.
Select package for just $5 a month plus fees and tax.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the navigation. This is the built-in navigation. You can see that's very fast because this one comes with 4 GB of the memory and 64 GB of the storage memory, and you also come with the octa-core as well. And you can see that how to use the GPS. Just click on the bottom right corner, new road, and then you can enter the address here. It comes to US and Canada. If you are outside North America, we can also provide with the map according to your area as well. Like the Europe, we can provide with the European map. And in order to turn off the toll road, that's the lots of customers ask for this one. How to turn off the toll road? You can click on this one. Go to setting, road preference, road with period charge. You can turn it on if you want to use the toll road. Okay, and then this is the built-in GPS, and this one also support the Wi-Fi. With the Wi-Fi, they also support the split screen as well, just like this one. You can use the GPS on the upper screen, and also you can watch the YouTube on the lower screen. If you want to, I'm gonna turn off the split screen mode right now to show you. Oh, okay, and then I can probably turn off this one, turn off the GPS. Okay, this is the YouTube here. You can use the YouTube as long as you connect to the hotspot on the phone. This one also support the Netflix here. You can, if you have the Netflix account, you can also log into the Netflix and watch the movie. And this one also support the video in motion. You can also download. This one also support the Google Map too. Okay, but Google Map require the Wi-Fi in order to get the signal. However, the newest version of the Google Map, they provide with the offline feature. That means you can download your map data to the unit. This unit comes with 64 GB of the memory, right? So you can just download the offline map of the Google Map. So even though next time when you use the Google Map, you don't need to connect to any Wi-Fi. But only the newest version support this feature. And this one also support the movie playback as well. You can also copy the movie to the USB, and then you can play the system.
Always gets it done. They're gonna need to operate outside.
All the sound quality is gonna be exactly the same as before. This one is the movie here.
Road former MI6 agent.
And this one also support the internet browser. Okay. You can also go to so everything is right here, and you can also download your own application onto the system. You can also log into your Google account and then download any software onto the system like Instagram or Facebook. And other than that, this one also supports a built-in Apple CarPlay. You can, and also Android Auto as well. Okay, as long as you can have this cable, and then you can use the access the CarPlay from the screen as well. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to change the setting of the system. It's a little bit complicated. Just go to setting here. That's the default map. Okay, you can also change the Google Map if you want. Okay, and also the VLC is the default video player here, and then app customize, because on top of the menu you provide you with one of the customized button here. You can assign that as the Google Map or YouTube. And language, you can also choose your own language. This is the equalizer here. This is the dimmer. You will change the brightness of the screen. And then this one is I'm gonna show you how to change the setting inside. Okay, install set is right here, 666, 888. This car is high specification. You can also go to explore, high, low. If your car comes with the manual climate control, you need to go to low. Okay, low specification. Okay, this one is high specification. Just click on high, and then because if your car comes with the S3 Microsoft Sync version 3 Auto, then you need to use this one, SYNC-3 Auto. Okay. If your car comes with the 4.3 inches original screen, then you need to go to SYNC-3 4.3 Auto. If your car comes with the Microsoft Sync version 2, then you need to go to ST Auto. If your car comes with the Microsoft Sync version 1, then you need to change it to S1 Auto. S3 Auto, click on this one, click OK, and then you can just click back and then save and reboot. Do not change any of the other setting here, because any setting that you change here, you will definitely change the feature of the car. If your car comes with the dual climate control, you can also turn on the dual climate control here. And rear climate control, it means the climate control for the back seat. And other than that, next thing I'm gonna show you is the boot logo of the system. The boot logo is right here. You can see that the resolution 1080p by 1920. This is the highest definition touchscreen for the vehicle in the market right now. Okay, so you can just go to the computer and then make any image as long as the resolution is 1080 by 1920, and then copy the image to the USB, and then you can put it insert to the system, and then you can select the image here and change the image put up logo of the system. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please contact us at AutoTecPro. This system can also be purchased from our website. Our website is www.autotecpro.com. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.